I'm Michael, and this is Wallace Wise, where the dollar talks, the market breathes, and the news comes raw. Let's go. Breathe easy.
Best mobile banking apps for smarter financial management in 2025. Hello and welcome to the WalletWise.blog audio channel. I'm Michael, and today we're diving into the world of mobile banking apps that are revolutionizing how we manage our finances. In 2025, let's start with the evolution of mobile banking. The rise of mobile banking apps has completely redefined how we manage our money. What started as simple digital tools to check balances or transfer funds has evolved into full-fledged financial ecosystems that fit right in your pocket. By 2025, mobile banking apps have become more than just digital versions of your bank account. They're now personal financial assistants. From automated savings goals to AI-powered spending insights, the best apps provide customizable and intelligent tools for people who want to be more intentional with their money. Beyond basic banking, features the modern mobile banking experience isn't just about seeing your balance or moving money between accounts. It's about gaining control and clarity over your financial life. Today's best mobile banking apps allow you to set personalized budget categories, track every dollar in real time, get instant alerts for overspending, automatically save through roundups or set rules, monitor subscriptions and recurring payments, even invest without needing a separate app pay. In short, they combine features of the best money management apps, budgeting tools, and even some investment platforms, all inside one user-friendly mobile dashboard. These apps go far beyond traditional banking tools. And that's exactly why users are switching from conventional solutions to these smarter, more dynamic options. Now, let's look at why traditional banking apps fall short. Most apps from large traditional banks are designed with basic functionality in mind. While they do the job of showing balances or facilitating transfers, they lack the intelligence and customization users have come to expect. Common pain points include generic user interfaces, little to no personalization or AI-based insights, no smart alerts or automated savings tools, poor integration with third-party financial tools, and no gamification or motivational features. In contrast, newer apps offer sleek experiences built around your lifestyle. And they often operate without monthly fees, overdraft charges, or minimum balances, making them ideal alternatives for people seeking fee-free banking options. For the complete article with all details and visual comparisons, visit walletwise.blog. The link is in the description below. Let's dive into some of the best mobile banking apps for 2025, based on their core features, ease of use, and ability to help you take charge of your finances. First up is Mint, a comprehensive budgeting. App.Mint by Intuit has long been a favorite among users who want a full picture of their finances in one place. The app allows you to sync all your accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and even investment accounts. Its strengths include a visual budget based on your spending habits, custom categories for expenses, smart suggestions for saving, and credit score monitoring. The pros include an all-in-one financial overview, strong budgeting tools with real-time tracking, and credit score insights included. Some users report occasional bank syncing issues, and ads for financial products do appear. Next, let's look at Rocket Money, an app focused on subscription control and expense cuts. Formerly Truebill, Rocket Money shines when it comes to helping users trim unnecessary expenses from their monthly budgets. Its most powerful features include automatic identification of subscriptions, one-tap cancellation service, bill negotiation for services like internet and phone, and smart spending reports. Its strengths include being great for cutting unnecessary expenses, saving money with minimal effort, and having a clean, modern interface. Some features are behind a premium paywall, and bill negotiation success can vary. Now let's talk about Capital, an app that helps automate your savings goals. With a visual, goal-based interface and customizable rules, Capital transforms saving money into a daily habit. Whether you want to build an emergency fund or save for a vacation, you can set rules such as saving $5 every time you skip coffee, rounding up every purchase to the nearest dollar, or setting weekly auto transfers based on your budget. Capital offers creative and fun savings automation, is perfect for visual goal setters. and is easy to use even for financial beginners. It does have a monthly subscription fee, though it's worth it if used consistently. Moving on to Acorns, an app that helps you invest your spare change. Acorns takes a unique approach by focusing on micro investing. Every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up the amount to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Over time, these spare change investments can grow into a substantial portfolio passively. You can also set recurring investments and track your progress toward long-term goals. Acorns makes investing easy for beginners. Its roundup feature makes saving painless, and it includes educational content. There is a monthly fee for balances under $5,000, and investment customization is limited. Finally, let's look at Chime, an app that combines smart alerts and banking in one package. Chime isn't just a mobile banking app, it's a fee-free solution that combines checking, savings with auto roundup, early paycheck access, and real-time alerts. Chime is designed for users who are tired of traditional bank fees and want a clean, smart, and modern experience. Its benefits include no overdraft, maintenance, or minimum balance fees, smart alerts, and automatic savings tools, an early paycheck deposit up to 2 days faster. It's not ideal for in-person cash deposits, and some services like paper checks are limited. For deeper analysis and comparison of these apps, visit WalletWise blog, where you'll find a complete article with detailed tables and feature breakdowns. The link is in the description below. Let's talk about an important aspect of financial apps: security. When it comes to mobile banking apps, security is a top concern. Thankfully, the best apps use bank-grade encryption and multiple layers of authentication, including 256-bit AES encryption, two-factor authentication, biometric logging with face or fingerprint recognition, real-time fraud alerts, and FDIC insured accounts where applicable. Besides choosing a secure app, users should use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible, avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi, and regularly review account activity. Now let's explore which app might fit your personal financial style. Everyone has a different way of managing money. That's why the key isn't finding the best app, but rather the one that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. For students looking for simplicity and effortless saving tools, Mint helps create budgets and track expenses, while Acorns allows investing small amounts easily. Freelancers who need to track income and expenses clearly might prefer Rocket Money to avoid unnecessary spending and control subscriptions, or Mint to track multiple income sources. Families needing organization and joint planning could benefit from Capital to set and achieve group saving goals, combined with Chime for a fee-free everyday account with smart alerts. You don't have to choose just one app. Using two apps in combination can significantly boost your financial control. Smart combinations include Mint plus Acorns for full budgeting and automatic investments, Rocket Money plus Chime for expense cutting and fee-free banking with automatic savings, or Capital plus Mint for visual goals and detailed expense tracking. Let's take a look at what's coming next in mobile banking. The digital financial landscape is evolving rapidly. Here's what we can expect in the coming months and years. AI-based financial coaching is beginning to act as a personal financial advisor. Based on your habits, apps could predict monthly expenses, suggest smart cutbacks, and send alerts before you make financial mistakes. With the advancement of open banking, we're seeing the rise of super apps that combine digital banking, investments, budgeting, insurance, cashback, and even loyalty programs into single platforms. Sustainable finance. Features are also growing in popularity, with some apps showing the environmental impact of your spending, suggesting sustainable brands, and offering environmentally and socially responsible investment options. To wrap things up, here are my final thoughts. Mobile banking apps in 2025 are more than just simple tools to check your balance. They are smart, automated, and highly personalized, designed for those who want more control and less financial stress. If you're still stuck with outdated solutions, now is the time to explore new options. Download the mobile banking app that fits your lifestyle and goals today. Take control, automate the boring stuff, and let your money work smarter, not harder. For the complete guide, including visual comparisons, specific app recommendations for different lifestyles, and more detailed features, visit WalletWise blog. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights every week. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.
Investor, info delivered, mission complete. This was Michael on WalletWise, where smart strategies lead to real results. Make your money count. See you next time. That's a wrap for WalletWise.